So, hello and welcome to the FIA Motorsport Games Drifting Cup 2022. We see the track here at the beautiful, of course, Circuit Paul Ricard. Yesterday we had 30 nations, 30 drivers, still 28 nations and 28 drivers in the competition. It will be a tough one, it will be an interesting one, and can't wait for the battles to begin. Yeah, we have 7 returning drivers, 23 new drivers here, and of course with a lot of experience. The youngest driver, 18 years old, the oldest driver, 62 years old, and yeah, I can't wait. If you're new to drifting, you've seen, of course, some videos maybe on the internet that you usually see really close two cars going side by side. That we were seeing before, and we are ready.